Hi, hello. So magandang tanghali po sa ating lahat. So as of now, I'll be answering questions po related to Maxim service. So ang tanong po ni Sir is unsa pod requirements. So ibig sabihin, ano daw po yung requirements para maging Maxim rider. So now, isa-isahin ko na lang pong sagutin yung mga requirements kung kayo ay bike, motorcycle, car, or truck. Alright? So, isa-isahin ko po yan lahat guys para po ito sa ating mga Maxim Riders. And bago ko po pala ito tapusin, shout out po sa lahat ng mga riders and natatagalog lang po ako kasi may mga followers po tayo from other cities who cannot understand Bisaya. Okay? So guys, ngayon po, si Maximis, meron po tayong bike delivery. Ano po ba yung requirements ni bike delivery? Kasi wala pa pong lisensya na kailangan nun eh. So ang gamitin lang po natin guys is yung dapat may bike ka. Bicycle, vehicle. Or sa siya, bike doon sa Bisaya. So ano po yung kailangan? Valid ID lang po ni driver. So pera na po tayo or pwede na po tayong kumita ng pera habang wala pa tayong lisensya or wala pa tayong motorsiklo pero may bike po tayo, no? Bicycle, kung saan man kayo. I don't care how do you pronounce it. So that's it. That's what I mean. So let's proceed po for motorsiklo. Sa motorsiklo po, of course, unang-una is yung driver license natin. Pangalawa is yung ORCR ng ating mga motorsiklo. And mas maganda if meron kayong alternative na mga IDs kasi tulad po dito guys sa Cebu, because I'm based in Cebu, if may mga riders po tayo applicant from other cities, ni-require po namin sila ng barangay clearance. Pero if taga mismong Cebu lang po sila, so meron po tayong address sa barangay nila, so wala na po. Pero if outside Cebu City kayo, tapos yung mga valid IDs nyo is nasa outside Cebu City rin po, is we are requiring you to submit either of the following. It's either barangay clearance, police clearance, or NBI. As long as naka-state po doon yung permanent address ninyo. Okay? So yun po yung sa motorsiklo. And pangatlo po sa car. So, kariton. Oh no, joke lang. Car, 4 wheels. Dalawa po yung 4 wheels natin, guys. Meron po tayong for delivery and meron din po tayong for passenger. You heard it right. For delivery, mga kamax or mga applicants there, sa delivery po, ang requirements natin is ORCR ng sasakyan at saka driver license lang po. Now, if you wish to have it yung magpa-install ng sticker but as of now temporarily stop. So instead of having like 15% commission, yung commission natin magiging 5%. Pero sa car as of now temporarily stop. So wala pa. So isa sa car is yung kanina delivery. Then another car is for passenger. For car passenger that you will be executing a passenger, then ang required po natin na requirements is yung sa LTFRB. Ano ba yun, sir? Of course, andyan si CPC, Certificate of Public Convenience, andyan si PA, Provisionary Authority, decision coming from the LTFRB. Okay? Of course, bago po niyan, makapag-process kayo sa LTFRB, meron po tayong mga requirements dyan, tulad ng mga NBI, tulad ng PAMI, ng insurance, yung mga ganon-ganon. So, yun po yung sa car, dalawa. Meron tayong car delivery and car passenger. Nabanggit ko na po yung mga requirements. Number 3 is yung truck delivery. Sa truck delivery, meron po tayong for 600 kilograms, for 1,000 kilograms, and for 2,000 kilograms. Now, just in case, ongoing po ito, just in case you wish to have sticker installed in your truck unit or yung mga meron po tayong 4x4, mga bongo, whatever. So, meron po tayong ganyan guys. So, just in case, ang commission po natin yan is 15%. But if you wish to have it na makaroon kayo ng sticker installed in your unit or in your units, then instead of charging you 15% is 5% lang po. No? 5% lang po yung ma-charge sa inyo na commission per completion of the seed order. Ayan. So, I hope it helps and nakatulong po. Shout out po sa lahat ng mga Maxim viewers. And ikakagala ko po if you share this video sa mga groups niyo po or sa Facebook or wherever po sa online social media accounts niyo para ma-inform po, mapa-aware po natin yung mga kapwa natin riders or those individual who own a vehicle and who wish to be part of Maxim. So that's all, and that's it. Maxim office is open from Monday to Sunday from 8 to 6 in the afternoon evening. That's all, and God bless everyone. Ride safe. This is Chris Lolly PH, and bye for now.